Greetings my YouTube family, this is a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Canon Eos R8. Let's roll the intro and let's get right into the video. This is the Canon Eos R8, $1,500 R6 Mark II spec in a Canon Eos RP body. Well, not quite. Thanks for joining me for today's video and my quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Canon Eos R8. A camera that I'm slowly loving. Yeah. You can tell from my example, right? Yeah, I'm really loving this camera. Yeah, I've tested it out. So if you want to check out the photos from that shoot, if you haven't, you're not following me on Instagram, do check me out on King Coconut Photography. Hopefully by the time this video is out, those pictures will be out. If not, yes, follow me and then you get to see those pictures. The Canon Eos R8 is a very amazing camera. So Canon made just a few changes on the Canon Eos RP over the R8. So I have the RP here. And as you can tell, same body, identical, same one card slots, same small LP6 battery, but just a minor change that I feel, to me, it's an upgrade. So on the Canon Eos RP has the on and off switch on the left, but on the Canon Eos R8 it has the on and off switch on the right. Yes. On the right, and now on the left they have the photo and video switch button, which for hybrid shooters like myself you're going to really enjoy, because you wouldn't have to go switch between dials to switch between photo and video. You can just flip and then you are shooting photo or video. That's huge. That's huge for me. Basically that's the changes over the RP. So I have the Canon Eos R. So I don't have the R6 Mark II, I don't own one, but the Canon Eos R and then the R6 Mark II share similar physique, similar body. Let me get this adapter out so you can see. Yeah, so the three of them, size-wise, you can see, size-wise. There's the Canon Eos R over the R8. So basically, this is a first impressions video, an unboxing of the Canon Eos R8. I'm going to put it to the test, an actual wedding, put it through the paces, shoot some videos and photos with it, and give you my actual review about Canon Eos R8. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is a time for you to do so, and turn on the bell notification icon so that when I put those videos out, you'll be the first to be notified, and you can let me know if the Canon Eos R8 is a camera for you. But currently, I'm really enjoying the camera. It's really tack sharp. So when I got this camera, I also purchased the Canon 85 f2 lens. You guys know I've owned the Tamron 85 1.8 for close to 4 years now. So I purchased the f2, which is a very beautiful. When I tested it out, I love the results from this lens. And one other thing that I love about these lenses is that it doubles also as a macro lens, hence meaning you can shoot very close. Yeah, so my thoughts, cool camera, amazing body, lightweight as usual. Probably might get a grip, I don't know, I might. Yeah, so stay tuned for that video, and then if you enjoyed this video, definitely give a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't. Until I come here again next time, that's it.